home that's outdated or needs some TLC? Before diving into renovations, here's what you really need to know about making repairs before selling a probate property. Many times we inherit homes that have been lived in for decades or have some deferred maintenance. If you have the funds, you might be tempted to make significant renovations, or maybe you've seen those real estate brokerages that offer to cover the cost of repairs up front. But I urge you to think twice. With probate sales, the seller isn't required to complete the same disclosures as a typical seller. This is because it's assumed that the seller hasn't lived in the property recently and may not be aware of potential issues. Imagine your great uncle Steve fixed a bathroom leak years ago, but you have no idea, so you wouldn't know how to disclose that problem. Because of these limited disclosures, making major updates or repairs could unintentionally conceal pre-existing issues that you weren't aware of. And if those issues aren't disclosed, it could lead to legal and financial troubles for the estate down the road. So, what should you do instead? Here are my top 7 simple, cost-effective repairs that will help you sell the property while protecting yourself and the estate. Replace burnt-out light bulbs. This is a small, inexpensive fix that makes a big difference in showing the home well. Fix leaky faucets. Take care of any visible plumbing issues, as buyers often see these as red flags. Silent squeaky doors. A little WD-40 can go a long way in making the home feel more well-maintained. Replace broken cabinet doors or hinges. Simple fixes like these improve the appearance of the home without major expense. A fresh coat of paint. If you choose to paint, avoid covering up major issues like patchwork or over water damage or cracks. This could be seen as concealing defects. Trim overgrown landscaping. Improve curb appeal without investing heavily in new landscaping. Deep clean and declutter. A clean, decluttered space allows buyers to focus on the property's potential rather than its distractions. By focusing on these simple, effective updates, you can present the property in the best light without risking future issues for the estate. If you need more guidance on selling a probate property in California, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help make this process as smooth as possible for you and your family.